All right, sorry about that, guys. All right, come on, let's go back. Hold on, we gotta hit okay. Everything's connected, so only thing we're doing is the car is connected. We're gonna do okay. All right, guys, today's on Peanuts Automotive Adventures. What we're gonna do is we're gonna reinstall my Trifecta Tune in my Cadillac 2014 Cadillac CTS VSport twin turbo 3.6 liter. I took the tune off when I took it back to the dealership. Yeah, come over here. When I took it back to the dealership, but now I'm trying to put the tune back on it because I missed those, additional, how many horsepower? About 70? I think it's about making a little bit over 70 horsepower with the Trifecta tune on it. And the Trifecta tune is pretty much a mail order tune that I put on the car. The car is still stock, but with that tune, I was running... I ran a 1255 at 100 and I want to say 12 and a quarter in a 4,200 pound car, twin turbo V6. So we're gonna go ahead and put this thing back on it because I miss it really bad. Don't we miss it? We miss it, right? You miss going fast? Only reason, I don't. Oh, the delay for putting it on was it was cold outside. And I didn't feel like pulling the car out and pulling that car in the garage. So today is a good day to get that complete. So that's what we... complete. So that's what we're going to do. It's windy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, well, it means it's time to go in the car and hook this cable up and hook this laptop up and get this tune going. All right, guys, we'll see you in a bit. All right, hold on. I got you. Hold on. Let me unlock it. You get on that side right there. Yep, you're gonna navigate. You're gonna hand me that red cable that's sitting right there in the seat. Okay. All right. Don't sit on my sunglasses. I got you. All right, sit there. Okay, guys, we got the OBD2 cable hooked up. Yep. That cable came from Trifecta. And we got it hooked up to the laptop / tablet. Yeah, Peanut got the laptop, as you can see. That's my tuner. You my tuner?
Yeah.
You my crew chief? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. We a winning combination then.
Yeah. We
just gotta get some W's underneath our belt and we're gonna be all right. All right, so what we're gonna go ahead and do is... hold on. Let me open up the program. It's right here. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Spin it this way for me. Yeah, that way right there. All right, hold on.
The program.
Yeah, we're gonna open up the program. Hold on.
Yeah,
that's the program.
Right here.
All right, we good there.
Yep.
Now I gotta hold the start button. For at least 8 seconds to get it into the service mode. Right, into the service mode. There we go. We got the key on top there for we don't. Yep. And we could turn this radio off. We don't need none of that.
Nope.
Oh, turn it off. There we go. Radio's off. Car. I drove it to work today, so we know that the battery's charged, so we don't got to worry about a dead battery. So what we're gonna do is, let me click on. All right, I hear you. Let me see. We're gonna hit accept. Yep. Then we're gonna hit this program. Program vehicle. All right. Sorry about that, guys. All right. Come on. Let's go back. Hold on. We gotta hit okay. Everything's connected, so only thing we're doing is the car is connected. We're gonna do okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna do okay. Hold on.
Okay.
And we're gonna open the file. Yeah, the file. See the file? So we want that custom. See that? You got stock.
Right here.
You got that stock. You got that custom Trifecta powertrain calibration. Then you got that stock one. Right there. That's to put the car back to stock, factory specs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit accept for that custom tune because we missed that custom tune. So we're gonna hit accept. And then it's showing us the old VIN number and all that, making sure everything match. Hold on.
Click that.
Yep. Click that one right there. You right. Hold on. And hold on. We're gonna do the enable transparency option. Let me check the block on that. Hold on. And we're gonna hit accept.
Accept.
And boom.
Boom.
It's doing its thing.
It's doing.
Yep, it's doing it. You see it?
Yep.
It's easy.
Easy.
It's gonna be real easy for you because your generation gonna be computer geniuses, so y'all gonna be able to do all this. So we're gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. Y'all see it there? You see Peanut behind the keyboard.
The keyboard.
He ain't making beats. He making tunes.
Yeah.
Or is that the same thing? Tunes and beats? Is that the same thing? Tunes and beats? Or beats and tunes? We want cartoons, not cartoons, not like what you be watching on TV. And sometimes I watch, cartoons like Paw Patrol and all that. We don't want Paw Patrol tunes.
Yep.
We want automotive horsepower tunes.
Yeah.
That's what we want. That's what we down for. So let's go ahead and let it do its thing, and we'll be back with you guys in a few minutes. Yep, we almost there. Where we at, Peanut? 54?
Yep.
We're 54%. We almost there. We getting it. We are getting it, right? Hold on. It's where? It's 2 5s?
Yeah.
Okay, 5 6. It's speeding up, right? It must have got through all the hard stuff.
Yeah.
It's speeding up. So, all right, what number are we at now? Hold on, look at the numbers.
26.
What number?
70.
It was 76?
Yeah.
Now what is it? Tell me again. What number is that?
78.
Okay, now you see why numbers are so important?
Yep.
This is why you go to school to learn numbers. Numbers, cars, it all goes together, right?
What?
Yeah, numbers and cars go together. See, you know how to read the percentages on the little tune thing here. You see that?
Yeah.
All right, tell me what it is now.
82.
Okay. That's because you can count to 100, huh? 82, right?
8.
Okay.
8. 4.
Yeah. Okay.
8.
Now you see why it's important.
5.
It's numbers and math is important in school. This is why. You see what we doing? This is why it's so important.
93.
Okay, what is it at now?
9. It's 93.
It's at where?
90.
93?
Yeah. Now it's 95.
Okay, cool. You know them numbers, don't you?
96.
You gonna know these numbers like engine numbers. You know what I'm saying?
7.
Displacement numbers.
98.
Cubic inch numbers. That's what we gonna learn too. Cubic inch
99.
numbers. Displacement. Okay, we almost at 100, right? Hold on, it's gonna take its old sweet time. That's the way Murphy Law works. To get to that 100.
Yep.
We're at 99. No, we ain't there yet. We'll get there.
100.
We at 100?
Yep.
Okay, it ain't finished. See, we still need one more box there in the finish. See?
And the finish?
See it? It's going through all its, see? We almost there.
Almost
See,
there.
it's going through all its little,
5.
yeah, it's going through everything.
Yeah, going to do everything. Okay.
Yep. All right, guys. We are complete with installing the tune.
Installing the tune.
Yep. So we're gonna hold on. You got it? Move that arrow right there and hit OK and tap it. You got it? Boom. We're done. That's it. That's it. Now go ahead and X out of that.
X out.
Yep. Go ahead. X out. Boom. We're done. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect, and we're gonna start the. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead. My butt forgot to hit the daggone. Look at that. It tells me what to do.
Yeah.
Press the brakes in order to start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we good. Look at that.
Yep.
We good.
We
We good. You did it, Peanut. You did it. You X'd us out. You got us going.
Yep.
You know, this is the future. This is stuff you're going to learn. I already know you're going to learn, and you're going to be better than me at it. I already know. Already know. She sound good, right?
Yep.
Look at that. That's that seatbelt chime.
Seatbelt
Yeah,
chime.
so we know we right. It's trying to tell us to put on our seatbelt. Well, guys, this is our video about us reinstalling the Trifecta Tune on our Cadillac, right?
Yeah.
Cadillac CTS VSport,
Yeah.
2014, twin turbo, 3.6 liter. Yeah,
6 liter.
3.6 liter. See how the numbers work?
Yep.
See how them numbers work? See how they jive? Yeah, see, that's why you gotta know them numbers. But hey guys, this concludes the video. Thank you for all the support. You want to thank them all the support? PPG, Peanuts Private Gallery. PPG, Peanuts Private Gallery. Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we're out.